Hey traders, it's Tuesday, March 3rd, 2020. This is Roberto, and today I am going over the trade signals and the strategy. So when you do get these trade signals, for those that you who have subscribed to our service, um, this is what you look for, and it will give you confidence to take those trade signals, stay in the trade, know where the stop loss are, and you should be okay. So the first trade I haven't taken yet is USD yen. I'm waiting for a retracement close to 107, the central pivot point. So this is what I do. I first look at the 200 moving average line, and I see that we're in a downtrend. This is a 1-hour chart. I look at the 21 moving average line and also the central pivot point. If price is below all three, then market should sell off. Okay, market should resume its downtrend. And most likely there will be a retracement. Right now it's the Asian session, so before the European session, we may see a retracement. Just like here there was a retracement and here there was a retracement. Okay, so we may see a retracement before the market comes back down. Now, yesterday, sell-off was about 160 pips, which has exceeded its daily range. So I anticipate a retracement before it goes back down. Okay, so 6 p.m. I take trades based on the direction. Usually by 6 p.m. Eastern, the market takes a direction. If price is below the 200 EMA and 21 EMA, and below the central pivot point, I'm looking to sell. If price is above the 200 EMA and above the 21 and above central pivot point, I'm looking to buy. Okay, so this is the same thing at 4 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Okay, so let's look at a few other trades. We had a buy on Aussie Swiss based on the same principle. Actually, it was a news event. Let me just remove this indicator first. Well, let me just take everything off here and then I'll just load it again. I have to take out the... So here was the trade for today. Okay, the market, we had a nice bullish engulfing candle in Aussie Swiss. The signal went out and has not hit its target, but it put in quite a bit of here's the target 63 area up here, and this is the retracement. And if I put up the pivot points from yesterday, notice there it was. There is the bullish engulfing candle and the market rallied. This was based on the news event out of Australia. Okay, so I'm looking for the retracement to finish. Stochastics is oversold. I'm waiting for this retracement to finish, and I'll add a long position on this trade. USD, Euro dollar, same thing. Okay, we had price above the central pivot point, above the 21 moving average during the New York session, and it did rally, but stalled out. So I'm waiting for a pullback to buy again. Euro yen, we had, today price broke below the central pivot point, but too much volatility. I'm waiting for a direction. Notice that price is below the 21 and the 200 moving average line and below the central pivot point. So I anticipate the euro yen. I am a short, and I'm anticipating this to sell off today, going into the Asian and European session. Gold took a nice rally. Now it's above the 21 200 moving average line and above the central pivot point. So I anticipate this to continue to rally throughout the night. Pound Aussie. Okay, we had a nice sell-off for Tuesday. Notice again, price below the central pivot point, below the 21 moving average line. below the 200 moving average line and is sold off quite a bit today. Okay, over 200, almost 300 pips. Okay, now this is the retracement. It is above the central pivot point, so we may see a nice correction to the upside, but I'm still short, looking to short pound Aussie dollar. Okay. Here is New Zealand dollar. Rallied today and just turned around and head south. Not sure if I am short, currently short on this pair. My stop loss is above 62.80, which is a tight stop loss. If it does take me out, that's fine. I don't mind, but right now everything is pointing to the downside and looking for targets down here at 62.38. Okay, I think, oh, we've got Aussie yen. Okay, we have price below the central pivot point. 200 moving average line is slanted down, and price is also below the central pivot point, 21 moving average line, and we're looking for the price to stall out at these support levels down here. Okay, and I think that's about it. If you have any questions, just email me or just go to our website and learn how to trade these strategies. Have a good trading week, and thanks for watching.